What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another maintenance vlog today for the Infinity Q50. This is my daily driver. As you guys know, I picked this one up. I sold a Chrysler 300. Just want to let you know, very good news. We are very close. We are like this from picking up another project car. I cannot wait. I am super stoked to pick up another project car so we can start cracking down the content, building another car. We are going with a 90s theme project car, so be ready for that. For today's video, we are going to be working on the Q50. We are going to do just a regular maintenance vlog. As you guys know by the title of the video, we are going to be changing the air filters. This vehicle takes 2 air filters, and we are going to be changing it. I never changed it, and I actually took one out, but I actually put everything back because I want to show you guys step by step how to change your stock air filters on your Infinity Q50. Remember, with this channel, not only do we work on project cars, but I also do regular car stuff, just like we've been filming a BMW, just like we filmed a Grand National. My boy Andrew's clean Grand National. We're doing an overall thing when it comes to mechanics, to vehicles. This is an overall channel because I have had people who ask me, man, your channel goes from like building a project car, buying spoon parts, to like filming a Grand National. I'm like, yes, because I am a car enthusiast and I love to film cars, and filming is something that I love. So whenever I could get my hands on a car and I could get my hands on working on a vehicle and it's good content, I'm going to film it for you. So for today's video, the Infinity, it's going to get some love. The Infinity is going to get 2 brand new air filters in the front. Just your stock filters, nothing big. I'm not upgrading, none of that. This is my daily and I want to keep it just how it is. Maybe I'll do a little few mods here and there. Not too much, but for today's video, let's get those air filters fixed. Let's get them changed, not fixed. Let's get them replaced. Because I took one out and it's extremely dirty. And I want to show you guys step by step how to replace it on your V6 engine that comes in the Q50, because there's 2 of them. Let's get the video started. You know, it really becomes a pain in the behind when you're trying to film and there's always a plane passing by. But nonetheless, here you go, guys. We are at the engine. I just took one of the filters out. Look how dirty this is. This has never been replaced. If your filter looks in any shape or form like this, you need to replace your engine filters because you are consuming gas. And the engine is just not breathing its best. You are consuming a lot of gas if all this is dirty, because this looks like a very clogged filter. It looks like it's never been replaced. As you guys can see, both filters are here. I'm going to do a step-by-step installation of the new filters and removing them, because you do have to remove this panel here in order to access the 2 filters here. So let's jump into a time lapse. Small instructions. We have to remove every clip here. The only thing you're going to need, it's a flathead screwdriver, and we are going to give a little bit of cleaning on the engine bay because it is super dirty with a special sauce cleaning kit that I got from Simply Clean with their special secret sauce of cleaning. Anyways, let's get to it. Let's go ahead and remove this panel. Alright, guys, so we are going to start by removing these clips. This is just a flathead. We're going to stick them on the side. If you do have a clip remover, it's better, but I figure flathead works just the same. Pry them up, bring them out. This one is actually broken. I'm going to have to replace this one. Put this one on here. This one is kind of already popped up. Just pry them up on the side, if you guys can see there. And it also has one here, which I already removed. It also has one up here, which needs to be removed. And we are going to get all those clips out in order to remove this panel. Now that we have all clips removed, you can go ahead and pop this panel up. Very easy. And just take it out. And let's go into another view. Alright, so the panel's removed. Super dirty. Gonna get cleaning with this. As you guys can see, took out the filter there, but we can see that one, how extremely dirty it is. And we are going to also clean that. We're gonna give all this a bunch of cleaning. These are all the clips I took out. I'm gonna pick up a Ziploc bag, put them in there, and let's also go ahead and give a cleaning to that engine part, because that is extremely dirty. Now this panel, make sure you don't lose this, because this also has an entrance airway. If you guys can see it here, it goes directly to your filter. Gives it a little bit of more breathing from here. So let's get to it and let's get to the cleaning. Alright, guys, so the product that I'm using is called Super Clean. I want to thank them for sponsoring my videos and sending me some of these products. These are amazing. I'm gonna get to clean all this and you're gonna see how well it's gonna come out. I brought 2 rags. I bought actually 3 rags. I'm not gonna need any water. Just hit this and you'll see how clean this leaves the engine bay. I want to show you guys, look how dirty this rag came out from just cleaning it. We're going to be switching rags. And now this time I'm going to spray it on the rag and just hit those spots that hard to reach that I couldn't get into. Once again, look at this rag. All right guys, so I wanted to show you this part right here is clean. Left that right there. And I want to show you guys with this other rag, just wipe it and look how clean that comes out. And look how clean all this came out. Anyway, so here is the final, this is the final product here. Maybe what I am going to do with a little toothbrush is get into some of the parts. Look at how clean this came out. This came out super clean. Look at all that. Look here how we left that super clean. I want to thank you guys from Super Clean for sending me the product. It is amazing and I cannot say nothing better, but holy crap, what a difference. Clean this up. Let's go pick up those filters. Let's change them. Let's get the video continued. I went with the Purelator 1, and the reason I went with those because that to me is the standard industry for any replacement filters, and I think they are very good. This is very cheap. This is from the Advanced Auto Parts. This is around $13, so I think both filters were around 24 bucks. Now I'm going to show you how to remove the box, which is fairly easy. I'm going to remove the old one from here. The box is here, and all you got to do is just unclip it here, and it's hooked on the bottom, but if you push it back and you push up, it comes out just like that. So we're gonna go ahead and replace both filters with the Purelator. I actually want to show you guys the difference. I'm gonna pull the new one out, and you're gonna see the difference when it comes to how clean they are. And that is it. Look at that. Look at the difference from this one. Look at the difference from that one. And you are going to improve gas mileage with the new one. We're replacing both. So let's get to it. As you guys can see, both filters are in, pretty clean, brand new. Let's go ahead and put back this cover here and let's give it a little bit of cleaning. All right guys, so this is pretty much it. I almost got attacked by a bee. Almost killed me. But this is it guys. So everything is back on, filters are back on, everything is good to go, plastic is on, and look how clean that came out for just giving it a once over with the new Simply Clean spray. I'll leave you guys a link below where you guys can find it. All right guys, so that is pretty much it. Remember to dispose your filters the correct way. I want to give a huge shout out to Simply Clean for sending me some of their product. Hat looks amazing. I always wear this hat everywhere I go. I love the hat with the camo. Anyways, huge shout out to them. Leave you guys a description below. That is pretty much how you change your filters on your Infinity Q50. Save some of that gas mileage and replace those old filters. I'll see you guys on the next one.